Dear students, we are continuing lesson number 12 from our Holy Faith workbook, and this is exercise 12.2, that is proportion chapter. So we have to solve over here. See the question. Determine if the following are in proportion. मीन्स ये जो 4 डिजिट दिया हुआ है ये प्रोपोर्शन पे है, ये हमें दिखाना है. सो वी हैव टू सॉल्व दिस वे. थर्टी थ्री देन 121, 9 and 96. So first of all we have to take first 2 digit. So 33 upon 121, make it reduce form. 11 3s are 33 and 11 11s are 121. So the ratio is 3:11. And the next, that is 9 upon 96. Again reduce form. 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9 and 3 2s are 6. Cut both 3 3. So the ratio is 3:32. So these two are not in equal. So they are not in proportion. Otherwise, we have to do this way. We have to multiply the first and the last and second and third. So here first and last, that is 33 multiply 96. 6 3s are 18, carry 1. Again 6 3s are 18 or 119. 9 3s are 27, carry 2. 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29. 8, 9 plus 7, 6, carry 1. 9 1 10 or 111, carry 1, 2 or 1 3, 3 1 6 8. Now we have to multiply second and third, that is 121 and 9. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, carry 1. 9 1s are 9 or 110. So one is 3168, another one 1089. So these two are not equal. So we have to write, so they are not in proportion. They are not in proportion. Next, number 2. Look over here. Number B, that is 36 is to 126 and 16 is to 56 are in proportion. So 36 upon 126. 6 6 are 36. Then 6 2s are 12, 6 1s are 6. Again reduce, 3 2s are 6 and 3 7s are 21. Cut both 3 and 3. So the ratio is 2:7. In case of 16 upon 56, 4 4s are 16. 14 4s are 56. Cut both 4 and 4. 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are 14. So here also 2 is to 7. So in both the cases the ratios are same. So they are in proportion. Question number C. 4 is to 3. Apply the second method. 4 into 27. 4 7s are 28. Carry 2. 4 2s are 8 or 2. 10. 108. And then 36 and 3. 3 6 are 18. 3 3s are 9 or 110. In both the cases this is 108. So they are in proportion. Next, number D. 6 is to 13 and 18 is to 40. So 40 multiplies 6. 6 0, 6 4s are 24. And 13 multiply 18. 18 3s are 54. 18 1s are 18 plus 5. 234. These two are different. Here it is 240 and here it is 234. So we have to write, so they are not in proportion. Question number E. 18 upon 27. 3 6 are 18 and 3 9s are 27. Cut both 3 and 3. Then 3 2s are 6 and 3 3s are 9. Cut both 3 and 3. So the ratio is 2 is to 3. And the last one ratio also 2 is to 3. So they are in proportion. Next, that is question number F. 5 upon 12. Not possible to divide. So the ratio 5 is to 12 as it is. And next, 25 upon 72. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5. 7 minus 5. 22 not possible. Cutting not possible. So the ratio is 25 is to 72. So they are not in proportion. Come for next. Are the following statement true? Means here given 16 upon 56. 4 4s are 16. 14 4s are 56. 14 4s are 56. Again 2 2s are 4 and 2 7s are. So here it is 2 is to 7. Next one, 12 upon 42. 6 2s are 12 and 6 7s are 42. So the ratio is 2:7. In both the cases, ratio 2:7. That means the statement is true. So write over here true. Number B. Rupees 20 to rupees 35. Make the ratio 5 4s are 20, 5 7s are 35. Ratio is 4:7. Here it is 32 people to 56 people. 32, 56. 8 4s are 32, 8 7s are. So here also 4:7. Both the ratios 4:7. So the statement is true. Next, 200 paisa 30 rupees. So first of all we have to convert the same unit. 30 rupees means paisa. Two ones are 2, 15 twos are 1:15. Here 4 minutes, here 1 hour. 1 hour means 60 minutes. So the ratio 4/60. 4 ones are 4, 15 fours are 60. Ratio is 1:15. In both the cases, ratio 1:15. So the statement is true.